Here we are. Right, so here we are up at Lundy Ben Nevis Crescent to be precise, and we've got the mad chainsaw man, Mad MacPherson. He's going to show you how to fell a tree once he gets the saw started. Here we go. It's quite a big one. Timber! Very good, Davy boy. That's how it's done. Davy, what do you call this method you're doing just now? Is this skinning it, or what do you call this?
Snaring.
Snaring?
Snaring.
Snaring. Oh, here we are. Snaring the tree here. Look at the speed that he does this with. Of course, I used to work with the forestry many moons ago. It must have been quite rough though, you know, as you can see, but I've already hit a couple of stones here. I saw some sparks, but never mind, he's got a file there to sharpen it up with. Yes, that's very fast there. And once he's finished doing what he's doing, he'll cut them into manageable pieces, and the scrub will go on here. A nice fire there, and the rest will go in the pile over there, or the pile over there, or indeed away in the distance. So it's about 5 to 4 on the 20th of January 2010. So that's the setting done, and now we'll cut it into manageable pieces, as you can see. Train away along there. There used to be houses here, of course, many moons ago. Ben Nevis Crescent, I think it was called. There you can see the sewer down there, and there's one or two of them dotted about the place. So this was all trees here up until last week, where we've come up and using the trusty Bushman. It's only today that we managed to get a shot of Henry's chainsaw. So there you are, that's the end of that. 3 houses get in here, and these pine trees in front of you there that you can see, they're staying until we find out where the houses are going, and then mark my words, they'll be coming down as well. So with that, it's Jimmy Clark, BBC Reporting Scotland.